Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Amazon store card to your account. This is essential if you want to use your store card for purchases or manage it alongside your other payment methods on Amazon. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, look for the option labeled Your Payments and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and store cards. It's your central hub for managing how you pay for purchases on the platform. Now that you're in the Payments section, you'll see your existing payment methods if you have any saved. Look for the option that says Add a Payment Method and click on it. This opens up the interface where you can add new ways to pay for your Amazon orders. From the options presented, click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. Even though you're adding a store card, Amazon processes it through the same interface as regular credit and debit cards, so this is the correct option to select. You'll now see a form where you need to enter your card details. Start by entering the card number in the first field. Make sure you type it carefully to avoid any errors. Next, enter the name on card exactly as it appears on your Amazon store card. Then fill in the expiration date and the security code, which is typically found on the back of your card. After you've filled in all the required information, double-check that everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Add Your Card. Amazon will process the information and add your store card to your account. And that's it. Your Amazon store card is now linked to your account and ready to use for purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.